To engage with ATMIS, engage with the federal government of Somalia, and engage with the UN system here, UNSOM and UNSOS, to reflect on how the steps that we need to take in order to be able to effectively carry out the next phase of the drawdown, which is in September, the drawdown of 3,000 troops. We are at a very critical period. I am quite impressed with the enthusiasm, the level of cooperation, and the sense that we are all pulling in the same direction. I find that to be extremely useful. So it's a sign of progress. It's a moment that we must collectively celebrate, but it's a moment also where it is a clear demonstration that the federal government of Somalia is stepping forward to take over what is their primary responsibility, the safety and security of Somalia. Director of Ceremonies, my dear brother, and I go back reporting to the leadership of the Commission with a sense of renewal that there is hope and there is determination.